Part 3, guys. It's pickup day. We're just arriving here at the car shop, and there it is, our cute little car. And they actually have a lot of other cars too. There's kids vlogging. Really cool place, good experience here. That car is pretty cool too. All right, so they said they'd change the tires. Yep, definitely did. Here it is. First time we're stepping into the car as it's ours. Oh, so they found carpets, or maybe they had them, they just took them out because of the rain or something. Oh, they cleaned it, I think.
I know, that's crazy.
Yeah, it looks a lot nicer. They have carpets now, and they installed this bad boy. So we'll see what this thing can do or does or something. I don't know what it does.
It has Bluetooth.
Hopefully it has Bluetooth or something, yeah.
Oh, it does have Bluetooth.
Bluetooth audio. It has TV too.
Try connecting it. Genki.
So they're gonna fill it up for us.
Yes.
What's that for?
It's just letting other people know that they're putting regular in our car.
Oh.
Regular gas, just in case like they have to change out the workers. They know like how much to charge us, what's getting put in.
Oh, interesting. And they take your trash as well. How excited are you?
I'm super excited. I'm like kind of almost tearing up because this is the first car in a long time that's actually in my name, you know?
Yeah.
Like, that I bought and like worked for, and I don't know, it just feels like slowly my life's getting back to where it should be.
Yeah.
So about 4,000 yen for. ベキュラって今いくらです？ It's a liter is 135.
Oh, okay.
わかりました。ありがとうございます。
So we're celebrating with Sukiya again. I swear my hair grows faster in the winter. It's crazy. All right, so what do we get? Everything here always looks really good. Oh yeah, the Mookie Jaw.
It's incredible, by the way, but I added this. It's like spinach and vegetables. It's called namuru. You find it a lot on bibimbap.
And they gave us Tabasco.
It's so good with the Tabasco, though.
I'm putting Tabasco on it. All right, so now we're here. We were gonna go to Don Quixote to get some car stuff, but now we're gonna go to this place called Sunsea. It's right across the street from Kadena. Gate 3, I think. Did you find anything? Car stuff's back here. Oh, they have a lot. They have way more than Don Quixote does.
I want to grab one of these like smelly things for sure.
Dang, they have so much car stuff. I'm glad we came here. This is much better. Does this place bring back some memories for you?
Yeah, I have a lot of good memories with my friend Blair. I'm glad we came here.
It's a better store anyway, for cars, seems. All right, so that was Sunsea. Very cool place, actually. We ended up getting a couple things we didn't really need, but it was such like good pricing. We got a steering wheel cover because the steering wheel's, I mean, that's what we wanted. Steering wheel's a little ripped up. We just got a basic black one. They didn't really have any that matched the car, and they didn't have any like cute ones that we wanted, so. But we also got, here, let me go over here. I'm gonna get a drink too. So we also got this smell. It smells like rich bloom. It's a car smelly thing. What else did we get? We got a mount for you guys for live in Okinawa. So now we have 2 for 2 phones. And then I just threw this in. It was really cheap. It's just a USB power thing to charge our phones. What is this? I don't even know what this is. Kit got this. Oh, it's another phone holder type thing. Okay, and this I just picked up. I wasn't planning on getting it, but this is a rear view mirror with a camera in it. Let me step on that. For a dash cam, and it was only 20 bucks, and the rest of them they had like was minimum like 50, and they weren't the rear view mirror kind, they were just a cheap one. And I don't know, so I wasn't expecting to get a dash cam, but for 20 bucks, like getting a mirror one, whatever, you know. So that's it, we got the car. We're excited. We got all kinds of little things in it and figured out the stereo, got the dash thing, it works fine. We just need to buy a couple more things, and now we're gonna show it to her mom for the first time. Very nice car though, super excited.
Yeah, I'm really grateful they put this in.
Yeah, that's a nice stereo too. We told them if it was, if they could just do it for 200 or less, just do it. And we were expecting like one that maybe didn't have Bluetooth, just maybe at most an auxiliary port, and not even like a screen, just, you know, a little deck one. But he found like a really nice one. Anyway guys, thank you as always so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.